Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Razorpay account permanently guys. So it's really easy and simple. So according to Razorpay, okay, so according to their instructions, what you need to do guys is actually send an email to Razorpay support team. So they have provided this email address, okay. This is like dpo@razorpay.com. Okay, so in your email you want to clearly request that you want your account and all associated data to actually be deleted. So you want to be sure to actually include details like, for example, your registered email address and the account ID, guys. You want to go, if you want your account ID, you need to go to log into your uh, Razorpay account, go to your dashboard. That is where you'll see your account ID and your registered email address. So you want to send them this to actually enable them to identify your account. You want to use like a subject line like, data deletion request for account closure to make your request more clear. And once your request is submitted, guys, Razorpay support team will actually review it and you should receive a confirmation email within a few business days, guys. Follow any additional instructions they actually provide to actually finalize the deletion, guys. So if this video helps, guys, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below if you're still having trouble, and talk to help you out. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to Ninja Guides and see you in the next video.